Now that you've got NinjaBots installed and up and running on your machine, it's time to go through our Trader's Guide, the NinjaBots Trader's Guide, which is on our website. And we've broken it down into a couple of different categories. First category is Start Here. That's a good place to start. The next set of articles in the guide are really how to use, and that's the clicks to configure, the clicks to deploy, how to set up your order flow alerts, that kind of tactical operational information. The next section is all about the order flow algorithms that ship with NinjaBots. Not so much how to use them and interpret them, but what they are and how to configure them. There's a couple of articles on order flow, some insights that we've had over the years, which is very good reads. I recommend everybody going through that. And then also, we have an article called 11 Market Realities That Cannot Be Underestimated. This is a pretty important article because it goes through a lot of the treacherous behavior and pitfalls that can happen in the market. And once you read that, you'll see we built NinjaBots around adding software and rules and bots and intelligent order flow algorithms to help us navigate these waters. And these are really the risks that are out there. And I think NinjaBots really eradicates automatically a lot of these risks. We have a handful of articles on when to deploy your NinjaBots. The first goes over the NinjaBot workflow and has examples in there for breach bots, right shoulders, ABC retracements. And then we have further articles that do a little bit deeper dive into each of these setups. And at the end, we have annotated charts. And this is where we're just putting more and more examples so you can train your eye. If you start out at the NinjaBots Getting Started Smartly article in the guide, you'll see the sections that we have. Here are the order flow insights that you really should have a handle on. One is price discovery. And if you go here, it just takes you to Wikipedia and it'll walk you through what price discovery is. And then conclusionary order flow. Within here, we have a playlist of 2 videos that discuss conclusionary order flow. They're very, very important in terms of the concept of when to turn on a bot or why. And in a nutshell, we like to see one move conclude before a new move starts. And we call that ending of the move conclusionary. And we call it conclusionary order flow. And we've got a lot of algorithms that sniff this stuff out and will give you a heads up that it might be safe to go in the water. Also, if you'll notice further down here, when we get into our alerts, these alerts are primarily configured for order flow conclusionary tells. So it's very, very important to get your alerts set up and get a handle about them. And then finally is when to activate the bots, where within the market structure cycle. And there's another article here that brings you back to the NinjaBot deployment workflow, where we go dig down a little bit deeper into when to activate, why to activate, which bots under which conditions and which configurations, and what those configurations look like. In the next video in this series, we'll walk through the NinjaBot deployment workflow. Also, we're going to spend some time on the audio alerts, the order flow audio alerts. The beauty of the order flow audio alerts is that they will free you up. They will hunt down situations where there's a material order flow event. They'll get your attention, and then you can go look at the chart. So that frees you up from having to stare at the chart all day.